ThriveCart WordPress integration. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about an incredible platform that you can use for your WordPress integration, and this platform is called ThriveCart. Now, ThriveCart is a platform that allows you to grow income from your existing traffic with the highest converting, and all the carts for your online business are converted to pages, funnels, affiliate campaigns, courses, and much more. Now, what you can do to start yourself off with this is you can either come over and directly access it through your WordPress, or you can do it directly through ThriveCart. Depends on you. Now, there is no monthly plan. All you're going to need to do is just get a lifetime account for yourself when it comes to ThriveCart. Now, their plans and pricings are ThriveCart lifetime account, which is around 495, and then the upgraded pro account, which is 195. So it depends on you on whichever one you want to go with. Now, you're probably wondering, what does ThriveCart actually do? How will it help me with my WordPress e-commerce? So first of all, you can sell more with funnels designed to increase your conversions. ThriveCart has helped a lot of online businesses generate over $5 billion in sales, which is crazy. You can also increase your conversions out of the box, easily customize with their drag and drop editor, and you get one page embeddable pop up carts and much more. You can also go ahead and convert as you go on, where you can create additional revenue for your profit. Okay. And you can do it with their profit boosters, where as well as high converting cart pages, you can also easily create one click upsell funnels with bump offers, trial subscriptions, and much more. You can also boost your increase average and do a whole lot more when it comes to ThriveCart. Now, to show you how you can actually add it as your WordPress integration, what you're simply going to be doing is you are going to go over to WordPress, and over here simply click on plugins. Now, in plugins, simply go ahead and write in ThriveCart. Okay. And once you've done that, go ahead and enter it. And as you can see, it brings you the ThriveCart integration, or the ThriveCart WordPress integration. So what you can do is simply click on it and go ahead with upgrade and activate. So as you can see, this is ThriveCart. Now, ThriveCart is gone ahead and connected with Fast Flow when it comes to the integration. So basically, it has become Fast ThriveCart. So it's a fast flow add-on for fast members. Now you can quickly and easily integrate your ThriveCart products with the fast member and add your new customers to your WordPress membership website. Okay. And you can obviously get more idea of this by going on fast flow, where they will tell you the different features and indications that help you use ThriveCart as a platform. So go ahead and add your very own integration by upgrading and activating to the business plan. Do make sure you have the business plan on WordPress, because without that, you will not be able to access this integration. Now, you can either integrate through this, or what you can do is you can write ThriveCart WordPress plugin. Okay, and once you search that up, what happens is here you can see you can go ahead and enter ThriveCart plugins. Now, they will also give you the fast plugin, but you can go with Fluent Connect as well. Now, Fluent Connect is another plugin that allows you to connect your ThriveCart with your WordPress and your Fluent CRM. So, what you're simply going to be doing is you are going to go ahead and add the Fluent plugin into your WordPress. And once it's added into your WordPress from there, go ahead and start working all the features that ThriveCart actually brings you and provides you for when it comes to your e-commerce ventures. Now, to get a little into the details of ThriveCart on what it does and what it will actually be good for when you will add it. Now, when you switch your course to ThriveCart, it will be the best decision you ever make. It's a marketer's marketing tool, and you can go from 5,000 sales to up to 30,000 sales in your first 6 months if you use this. Now, basically, you can go from your upsells to upselling templates, ebooks, and coaching calls, and they actually convert it. This all runs for you 24/7 on autopilot, because ThriveCart also provides you with automations when it comes to working with its additional features. Now, you can also ditch your clunky landing pages for a shorter, smoother sales funnel with a higher converting layout and proper trust element. Now, all that will lead you to more conversions and a lot more funnel selling. You can also go from paying $149 a month to paying the $450 price one time. Okay. And you're not going to make any more payments for your course platform, obviously. And it was totally game changing for all the people who have previously used it. Now, obviously, first off, the people, who make five to $10,000 a month more in sales, mostly hands off, can't argue with the results. If someone is making the same amount of money in 1 month as, any other proper enterprise seller, then you're probably doing something wrong. And second, ThriveCart is not just a cart. It has a ton of other great add-ons like sales funnels, upsells, analytics, JV contracts for splitting revenue, and a whole course hosting feature. Now, that's just as good as anything on places like Teachable, Kartra, or Thinkific. Now, obviously, the pricing is quite hefty, so you're probably wondering, is it worth it? Is it something I should actually go with? Now, obviously, the lifetime payment is something that you are going to want to think through when you're applying for it. But trust me, once you have gotten the lifetime payment for ThriveCard, you will actually thrive in your stores, as the name says it itself. You can also go ahead and deploy your one-click upsell funnels, which are designed to convert. So you can sell more and create high converting funnels in a few minutes, or add upsell buttons to your own pages for any type of maximum flexibility that you require for your working. You can also embed your cart anywhere to capture more sales, and you can easily create model or embeddable carts to add any site in seconds, where you can turn your visitors into customers wherever they are. Also, go ahead and seamlessly integrate with tools that you already use, share data with other tools, connecting to your autoresponder, using your own invoicing, tax calculation, or fulfillment service, as much more. And you can also go ahead and get simple sales tax functionality, where you can calculate sales tax rates based on location and product type, and track totals with time-saving reports to use with your business and other tax services that you work around. And as I said, automation is a big when it comes to ThriveCard, because intelligent behavior rules are set to your business on autopilot. You can save time by setting rules to automatically follow up with visitors who basically go ahead and abandon your cart, modify affiliate commissions based on refund rate, and much more to actually look forward to. You also get total flexibility to create any offer that your business needs, where you can quickly create free trials, split payments, tripwires, flexible subscriptions, recurring sales, discount offers, pay what you want pricing, and much more. And finally, reduce your churn automatically so you can recover from any bad sales. So set notifications to let customers know when payments are due, or when a card is due to expire. Now, the even better thing is the handful of the powerful features that it provides you, from one-click bump offer, one-click upsells, model card, embeddable card, to a whole lot more that you could check all out on their website, thrivecart.com. So do go ahead and check it out for yourself, and use it. You could also pretty much go ahead and integrate it with your WordPress. And obviously, once it's integrated, you can go ahead and use it with your different belongings on your web page as well. You can see how it actually goes ahead and uses all of its features to actually streamline your work and make life so much easier for you, not only from a marketing standpoint, but also from a product selling standpoint. So, yeah, that's basically the main idea of ThriveCart, and how you're going to go ahead and use it for your WordPress as a plugin. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be answering all of your questions as I go on. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Have a great day, and I'm going to be seeing all of you people next time. Goodbye.